Oh, you're on photo mode. What the?
Me. That's going to be a month. No, hold on. We need one clap because you're going to have 2 claps.
Okay. Done. I don't know why I'm still yelling at you like you can't hear me. What's that? Oh. I'll get the door.
Okay, cool.
Here you go. Ethan's first Moto-Social.
Let's do it.
And we got Bobby with us.
Bobby.
How do you know Bobby?
He found me through Instagram, maybe.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
My visor's filthy.
Yeah, I
like
went. Oh my god! Did you hear that?
Oh,
shit?
you took the baffle out, eh? Your helmet's not done up.
Do you want to lead this?
Yeah.
Alright. Just take it cruisy-ish.
The street triple sexy.
Yeah, it's a good looking bike, man. Did he tell you about his crash?
Oh, he just said that he crashed and got insurance.
Drunk driver, man.
Oh, true.
Yeah. It feels smoother without the baffle.
Does it?
And a little bit torquier, which is really nice.
Yeah, I mean, you're getting fresh, you know, more fresh air through it, so it makes sense, I guess, but depends on the fueling map and stuff. Need to take that throttle restrictor plate out.
Oh god, how lambs unapproved do I need to be?
I didn't even check where this one is. It is in Parnell, eh?
Yeah.
That's sweet. I have so much bug guts on my screen.
What about your screen?
On my visor.
Yeah.
I have so many like bug intestines.
You probably can't see shit in this light. The bike feels so much louder now. In a good way. Yeah.
These intercoms are pretty clear.
Yeah, I'm really impressed. I've never, I mean, this is my first time using comms, and it's, yeah, it's pretty cruisy. We should have a clear shot into the city.
Yeah.
Traffic's coming the other way.
Chill out, eh?
Yeah, I mean, we don't need to be going like 130. Fuck me.
At least it's a nice day for Motosocial. Last time it was rainy as shit.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw you watch the bed.
So how are you finding it with your first road bike?
Yeah, it's good. Bit of wind. I'm really enjoying it. Having a lot of fun.
Do you think your riding's changed heaps over the last month?
For sure. Yeah, I'm way more confident with speed, with corners. Just trying not to be an idiot, I guess, because I know it's pretty easy to take early confidence and really fuck it up.
Go in front so I can get some videos of you.
Okay.
There he goes. It sounds good.
Yeah.
It sounds way like deeper.
Yeah. It's real throaty now.
Yeah.
And I feel like the power is just like right there.
Yeah. hard to get it up at 120.
That's what she said.
Yeah, I really like the look of those street triples.
Yeah, they're super nice.
Yeah, that's a real nice red too.
Yeah, yeah. Are they pretty peppy? They've got some good guts to them?
Like 10 horsepower more than mine.
Oh shit, no way. Okay.
Yeah, they're about 130. It's they don't have as much torque as mine.
Right.
Just being a bigger CC engine.
What is it? I assumed it was like an 800.
That's a 765.
Oh right, no, I see what you're saying. Yours is bigger. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, gotcha.
It'd be interesting to see how your exhaust comes out without the baffle on the video.
Yeah, and I've never recorded it in the helmet either, so I mean this helmet audio I'm hoping is reasonable.
Should be pretty good.
You'd hope
I think
so.
float 32 as well.
Yeah. Yeah.
Perfect time to be riding in though.
Oh my god, it's great. I mean the weather's one thing, but the traffic just being so cruisy is also really, really nice. God damn.
Oh, beautiful day for it.
Oh, what a night.
So yeah, this is Ethan's first MOTOSOCIAL event, and I think it's the first one of the year as well, so first one of the riding season, I mean, so hopefully it's a really good turnout. I've only actually been to like 2 or 3 of them before, but both of the ones I've been to were pretty rainy. Actually no, one of them was good, but yeah, I'm hoping this one has a big turnout. We get to see some cool bikes.
Yeah, it should be cool. I mean, obviously, me being a new bike owner,
Yeah.
I've never been to anything like this. So yeah, I don't really. It sounds like a good time though.
I think Bobby wanted me to go.
Is he ready to fucking just hoon it?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, Bobby.
You still hear me back there?
Yeah, I got you now. I lost you for a
sweet.
minute. At least we know the range of these things now. We're getting off at port, so we're, all the way.
Yeah, that sounds so much better.
It actually crackles less.
That probably means it's running better, like, I mean, well, it does mean it's running better, like a better mixture.
Potentially, yeah. Yeah, so we're just taking port all the way down, and then we hook a right, and then we're pretty much there.
Yeah, like all the way to the, basically like drive to Mechanics Bay, and we just hang a right where that, Saatchi and Saatchi building or whatever.
Yeah, yeah.
What's the thing you found hardest about learning how to ride on the road?
Well, a thing that I still like, probably the thing that's like I'm always conscious about, which is a good habit. It's just being like road aware of all the other fucking, sorry, censor that, all the other cars on the road.
Yeah.
Because I really just don't want to get fucking like sideswiped. Like that would really put a fucking damper on things.
Yeah.
Ayo.
Hey, all that.
Ayo. Oh, Bobby in the rear view. Yeah,
Those headlights are cool there.
It's a sick looking bike. Yeah,
needs an exhaust. They're so quiet from the factory.
Yeah, he was saying you can't. There's something about them specifically where you can't even do like a slip-on because they'll be so
really?
fucking like the tune will be so out of whack. I guess they're really delicately
They'll have to
tuned.
wait until there's like a released map.
Yeah.
Come sneak up the front.
Yeah.
Sexy red. Sexy red.
Oh. Oh, hello, Insta360. Hello.
That rich family was not happy with my revving.
No. God, I love it. Do not wheelie. I can see you thinking about it. Do not. We really don't need drama.
Did you say do wheelie?
No. Oh man, this thing's got some.
Oh, there's a fuck ton of bikes.
Save me. Holy shit. We're just gonna follow you.
Jesus. To find a park somewhere.
You're just doing a little circle.
I'll go right up the lane.
Just chuck them up somewhere over here.
There's way more than usual.
Where'd you go? Where'd you go, Big Daddy?
Up on, right up the top. Yeah, can you see me?
Are you up on the curb? Is that
Yeah,
you?
yeah.
I'm just gonna chuck it right the fuck here.
Do it.
Do it. Do
There's
it.
one of the new, there's one of the new MT-09s.
Oh yeah, it looks good, eh?
Yeah.
I'd smoke them. I give them all. Let's do it. What do you think?
Where's your mic?
Wait. Oh, did it. We were appreciating your bike the whole way. It's such a good looking bike. Yours. Oh. Yeah. Yeah.
I like the ESP.
Oh yeah.
I don't like the front of it.
Looking around for my my client's XSR700. If you see a black one, let me know. Jesus. That's sick. They're a lot lower than I thought.
Yeah, they're like cafe races.
Yeah. Those Arlingtons are actually kind of cool. Like if I lived in the city, I'd have.
There's one on YouTube, mate. Great one.
Yeah. What'd you think?
Alright.
Little Grand thing. Pretty sure that kid has crutches in the back of his. Oh yeah. Again, it looks shorter. Does it look shorter?
Oh, it's the new one. Mine, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's one of the cafe R9s.
Yeah.
White one.
Yeah. Yeah. That beer is sick. Oh yeah. How about it? No, you're alright. Hey man, how's it going? Yeah, good.